today's the first day, and it just started. It's on tomorrow, and there's supposed to be porcelain light fixtures, which I thought was interesting.
Okay. Sorry, I was in the wrong lane there to go straight.
Yeah. Whoops. It's in the alley.
Okay. It's actually further west than I thought it was.
Yeah. Well, wait, I thought it was east, so it was way further west than I thought it was. It's such a cute garage with all those windows.
Yeah.
And then none of them are broken, which is also nice. Okay.
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 You ready?
Mm-hmm. Good morning.
Morning. I wonder if Susie would want this.
Oh. Maybe.
She collects antiques.
Tins. Yeah.
Yes. It comes equipped with syrup.
Yeah, it feels like there's stuff in there still. Is that... She bought those other ones for like $5, I think.
Yeah. Oh, and a flute.
A flute, yeah. We can get the band back together.
Yeah.
Yes. Can you play it?
No.
My mom's friend's kid likes mushrooms.
Oh yeah, $4 for the set.
Yeah, I know.
There's 5 of them.
And this.
Oh yeah.
You should probably get that.
They're not even... They seem to be in good shape.
Yeah. Not chipped up or anything. Yeah.
We have newspaper and boxes
Okay.
somewhere.
Yeah, we'll probably grab these mushroom...
You want those?
Yeah, the mushrooms.
Might want to wrap those up though. Bath bombs are only 25 cents. And you bathe daily. You buy the whole
I
bucket.
do.
As I said,
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
So it goes to here.
Okay.
And the cooler, but
Yeah.
right now the records are just on it. So obviously.
Gotta buy the records if you want to buy the cooler.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good deal for these.
Yeah, I mean with your daily baths.
A crate for your, $2 crate for your...
I don't know. I'm worried there's a coconut one, but I guess I could give that to someone else. Yeah, those are, I mean, yeah. Yeah, gotta
Get all of them for like $5 or I don't know how many are in there, but
yeah.
Her daughter made those.
Did she?
Yep.
These are quite awesome. These hand-blown glass.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
These little skis.
Oh yeah. $3 for the pair.
I know, so good.
Such a great price.
If we had a cabin, they'd be awesome.
Yeah. Okay, and then okay, so we got 4 there.
What about this
2
garland? Do you need more garland?
That's your department. That I don't know.
For $2, I mean, it's a whole bag full. Yeah, we'll get that.
Yeah.
Gonna get that.
Yeah.
So we're up to
Not
what?
mine, so I can say that's a good deal. Yeah.
That. These.
Oh yeah, the bath doll. You're just gonna grab all of them?
Yeah.
Okay, but
She bathes
But
every
you can
day. I
have
mean,
the
that's a great
container
deal.
if you want it. That's
we'll buy
fine.
those.
You
Yeah.
can grab a bag and
Yeah.
Get a bag and
throw those in there.
Yeah, you can
Yeah, count.
My kids gave me all these bath bombs over the years, and I didn't have the heart to tell them I don't use them.
Oh.
And then finally I got up the nerve and I said, you know,
I'll give that to you so I can pay the ladies. Okay, are we done? I guess we could always...
Would you say 7 and 9?
Right?
The 16, a big 16 bucks?
Yes.
Sounds right to me. For that's definitely 9 there.
oh my goodness, I never dusted these. Look how filthy they are.
Oh, they come complete with dust.
Thank you.
That makes them worth the more value.
Yeah.
I should charge extra.
You can autograph them.
Yeah, that's the protective coating.
Yes. Look like the stuff in the freezer. Look at this umbrella.
Can you help me?
Don't tell anybody.
I suppose.
You want to grab the garland and then I'll carry the box?
It smells so nice in here.
This is bath bombs. They're just going out the door.
Yeah.
Bath bombs?
Well, they're like bubble bath.
Yeah.
And then when you
Softens the water.
That does not smell like this, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, have a good one.
Thank you.
Wow,
Yeah.
what a haul.
Yep. Remember my mom's friend Juanita?
Yeah.
Her son likes the mushroom stuff.
Oh.
So, because mom was telling me, and then I'm like, oh, too bad we didn't know that because remember your grandma had like this set.
Yeah.
Yeah. And she was like, I know, it would have been perfect. And then, boom, there we
Now
found
here
it.
it is.
And for a good price.
Yeah, $4 for all of it. That's a really good price.
So, it's missing the sugar, I think.
Eh. For that price, you can go out and buy it on eBay.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
And still have the whole set for less than it's worth.
That's awesome. Okay.
Okay, now did this guy leave us room to get by?
Terrible parking job. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think.
Are you able to move your truck over? You're blocking the alley. See ya.
Bye.
Thank you.
Just wait till it gets.
I'll say thanks.
Oh boy, that van is rough.
It is rough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks, bud.
No problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Okay, this one. I don't know. It was on yesterday, and today's the last day.
Okay,
It's in the backyard.
that's all we know about it.
Yeah, that's all we know.
Okay.
Sometimes that's all you get.
Yeah.
So then,
At least they had the date, the time, and the address. You know?
yeah. Sometimes that's not even in there. So.
Yep. Okay, so we're here.
Oh. Okay.
3121.
31.
Right here.
Where am I? Yeah.
21. Right here.
Backyard.
Backyard, okay.
So, I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's a sign.
Go through that
backyard.
alley, or
Yeah.
okay.
Be right here.
So should have gone through the front. Oh, right here.
Is there room for anybody to get by?
I think so.
Gotta straighten out a little bit.
Yeah, that's good. Don't hit their fence. That would be bad.
Yes, it would. Hi. How are you? Good.
I don't know. Can I get over there even? You blocked it so I can't
Sorry.
get in.
I might have to move the truck if
Morning.
somebody else comes.
Well, yeah, they can get through back
Blocking
there. Blocking the entrance.
access to the garage sale.
Yeah. Well, we won't be too long, I'm sure. That's interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
battery powered. Lights. Oh. But how do you turn them on? Oh, here. Do you need that for anything?
I don't know. There's more of them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. See, yeah, she's got them in there. They're a little bit yellow. Kind of like the whiter ones.
Yeah.
Prada.
Oh, they look very distinguished.
Do I look like a librarian?
Kind
My
of.
bun and stuff?
Yeah.
Those are really nice glasses.
See these bikes?
Oh, yeah.
They're only 20 each.
They need air in the tires. They were my son's, but
both for
they've been in
30.
storage for years.
Yeah.
Trying to get rid of them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think so.
Would you sell them both for 30?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, I thought we just didn't find anything
Yeah.
today. And
Surprise! We did.
Perfect.
Thank
you.
you.
right on.
All right, so throw them in the truck.
Yeah, those tires need some work.
They probably just need air.
Some air.
Yeah,
think
if
so.
they were stored in a cold place, they always
Yeah, they were
go
just
flat.
stored.
Yeah, so they're probably fine.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, thank you.
Awesome.
You did a good parking
Thank you.
job, eh? Like, we can't even get the bikes out of here.
You know what? And you had the whole garage sale to yourself.
We did. We're like, hold on,
I
people.
was trying to move over, so
We're
if
just gonna
anybody
look
was trying to
around.
get by, they would be able to get by. And sure enough, I just blocked the whole thing.
So
Way to do it.
I'll wait here
Okay,
and
I'm just gonna move the truck just a tad.
I'm gonna hold that
'Kay.
bike so it doesn't.
tip onto the
I would hate for it to.
under the truck.
Well, we already paid for it, so. Woo!
Watching.
Oh, skinny thoughts.
Yeah,
He blocks himself in the truck.
I
He's on a
know.
roll
So that I
today.
have to put them in the back.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I can't get out of the truck now.
Oh no, I'll wait here.
Oh,
right.
thank you.
No problem. Thank you. Have a great day.
Yeah.
You too. Enjoy it. It's supposed to be nice today.
Yes, I'm just gonna sit here and
Yeah.
soak up the sun.
Yes. Perfect day for that.
Yeah.
I think you should.
No Craven this weekend?
For us?
Yeah.
Is that what's going on this weekend?
Yeah.
Is it Craven?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
I'm too old for that. Yeah.
I've never
I'm like, I need my sleep or like somebody's gonna die.
I'm in my 40s and I just can't tent it anymore.
No.
And we don't have like a trailer or anything, so
Yeah.
I don't.
I'm too old to tent.
Yeah.
Seems like everybody's going to Craven though, and I'm like, I've never been. To be honest with you, I'm not interested.
It was okay when it was
Oh,
rock
it's fun
for me.
if you're
Yeah,
20.
For sure.
yeah.
and you-
yeah,
and-
if you're
and-
young, I mean,
and you don't need
and you don't
sleep.
care if you sleep or not. I mean,
You're right. Once we hit our 40s, we need our sleep.
we do. I
8
get
o'clock was too early.
cranky, and then like
Last night I was nodding off on the couch at 9:30.
I hear ya. It's
bad.
Sounds like my nights.
yeah, that's how. Yeah, we're up to party as long as the party doesn't go past 10 o'clock.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
6:30.
yeah.
Dinner, few drinks.
Yeah, dinner at 4 pretty soon.
Yeah. Matlock's on at 8. Come
Yeah,
on.
and then we'll get our Afghans and sit in our rocking chairs.
Such a true story.
These are things I'm sort of looking forward to.
The murder she wrote and that's it.
yeah. Totally.
And, you know,
Oh.
That's funny. All right. Yeah, those are pretty substantial bikes.
Yeah.
$15.
I saw $20 each. I'm thinking, well,
I didn't even look because I thought they'd be
probably
expensive.
get a deal if you buy them both.
Yeah.
So you could probably sell them for like $40-50 each.
More than that. I'll list them for 65 probably.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
Good score.
Good
Okay.
eye seeing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't. Because usually the modern ones, they want $80 or
Yeah.
whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, oh, but yeah, good job. You were so close to that fence. Did you know I was watching though?
Yeah.
Okay.
I figured if I was going to hit it, you were going to say something.
I was like, she was watching too, so I was like, ooh.
Yeah, I knew I was close to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I looked, I was like, he knew I was watching. I'm telling you, you can eat a bag of cheesies every day if that's the only thing you eat.
If that's the only thing you eat.
If that's all you can afford to eat, you'll be skinny. And work 2 jobs at that time.
Now we're trying to work no jobs
Yeah.
with a paycheck.
Isn't that the dream though, hey?
It is. Makes me wish we'd started this 5 years earlier. You know?
I know.
We might be there by now.
I didn't really know much about you two. Like I knew about it.
Well, I didn't either.
I didn't know anybody could just put anything on there. And,
Oh yeah, that I knew.
Oh.
You could just.
Well, you're more the computer guy.
But that's all I knew. Like I didn't know how to make a video.
No. We didn't have the equipment either.
Nope.
So that was a big investment for you.
Yeah. It was.
And then it took you like a year to talk me into it. So.
Yeah. Yeah.